everyone, welcome back to one more interesting video from Trido School, the #1 business freelancing school for you to learn, earn and scale in freelancing. This video is all about how you're going to start with an SEO project, how you have to do a SEO audit download report, especially for free. This is nothing but the pre-project era. Right, before you just move on with your project, these are the necessary things you have to do it so that it can help you figure it out. What is wrong with your website? What are the mistakes they have done? What are the places where improvements needs to be done? And finally, how you can just give a PDF report of complete analysis of your client website. Everything I'm just going to talk in this short and sweet video. Please follow these mandatory steps because you don't have to invest a lot in tools, and also whenever you just reach out to the prospects, you can just give out this free audit report and also some suggestions on their website where they can actually learn what is their website performance, right? So this is like a pre-engagement phase of your project, and never miss out these tools. Let us just move on to the video. As I have already mentioned, these are the pre-project state, correct? Please follow these 4 steps before you just move on with your SEO project or before you commit with any project, because these stages you will educate or nurture your client on what to be done, what is missing out and what are the improvements areas, so that your client will get a knowledge on, okay, this is what the process is, because SEO is a long way process and people who are expecting immediate results, obviously you cannot show them the immediate ROI. The client should always get educated from you. As a freelancer or as a project owner, you have to educate your client. Let us just start with the very first step, right? You have to crawl the entire website. So what you can do it is, whenever you want to crawl each and every page, it takes time, right? Better use this particular tool called as Screaming Frog. You can just install this tool. I just have it over here. Okay. You can just crawl around like 500 URLs for just free. No worries on that. Just open this tool. You won't be charged, like obviously for first 5 to 10 projects you can use with this tool. No need to worry on that factor, right? Okay, you can also update it later. Let me come over here. So I'll just select this particular website, Trido School. And let me just click on start. It is a subdomain. So you can just select for all the URLs of the particular website. Then it is like, okay, click on start. The entire website gets crawled. It will take few minutes of your time because, right? Can you see it over here? The entire website data. You can see whether these pages are indexed or not. Can you see the entire data over here? It is like indexable, right? What are the features you want to see is, click on this meta description. Just check all the pages are having the meta description, the keywords, the H1 tags shouldn't be missing. Okay. And please check, come over here at the right hand side. Okay. For each and every subdivision, you can see these are missing. These are like some duplicate. Okay. Just work on that fact. Like page title and description are mandatory ones. You can easily figure it out. What are the things that are missing? And in case of images, correct? So it should be like below 100 KB, or else please optimize the images also, right? So these are the things we also need to optimize. Just do this Screaming Frog over there, correct? Coming to the next, the second, check your site indexing, whether your client website have been indexed or not. See, it's very easy. There is no such tool, okay? There are Google Search Console. You can just go and check it out. But I'm just saying, before you are just taking up with the project, right? You cannot ask the access of a Google Search Console or Google Analytics from your client. So what you need to do is, open the tab, go to Google, just place the text like site, right? Then you can place the URL. So let me just place it for Trido School. Can you see all the pages are like indexed? And also let me just check with one of our blog website which we didn't use for like it's my own website. Let me check what is happening right now. Okay, yeah, even that has been indexed too. You can check what are the pages, what are the articles have been indexed. No need of any tools here. This is like very simple. You can do it for your competitors also. Correct? The third point, analyze the speed of the website, because you definitely have to show it to the clients like what is the loading speed of the website, which is an important ranking factor. You just have to go to this page called as Page Speed Insights. Let me just open it. Let me click over here. Okay. Let me just, this is one of my blog website. Let us just analyze. It will give you the page speed for both desktop version and also the mobile version. Okay. It will take few seconds, like based on how many pages or articles like you have in your very own website, you can just use it. Okay. Okay. This is my desktop performance and this is my mobile performance. Like it's pretty good. No need to worry. And here is the very important perspective. I'm using the plugin called as WP Rocket. Okay, this is a WordPress website. I'm using that particular plugin to enhance the performance of your website. Please try to use that website. It is like damn good. The final one. Okay, mobile friendly test. Check whether that particular website is mobile responsive. If it is an e-commerce website, obviously that is a key factor, right? Let us just go and check the mobile responsiveness. Mobile, you can just use any other tool for it. Mobile friendly test. I'll just use small SEO tools. Let us just put. Let me start the test. Okay, so the page speed is like 91%. Still, it can be improved, but still, this is a very good score, right? So, what are the things you have to do before you just take up with the project? These are the 4 things. First, you have to check what is missing. The next is whether that pages are indexed or not. Third is like analyze the speed of the website, where it is lagging in which particular page, because of which particular image. Finally, whether the website is mobile friendly or not. These are the mandatory steps before you jump into the project. Hopefully, this video was very useful to you all. Please follow these steps when you're submitting your PDF report of SEO audit analysis to your clients, and never ever forget to subscribe to this channel, Trido School, where I'm going to give you more tips and tricks related to freelancing and also all the skill related part of digital marketing. See you soon in another video. Thank you.